Hi friends, welcome to Paint and Talk. Today I am going to draw this water can. When I saw the photograph of this can for the first time, the basic geometrical shapes in this can motivated me to start this drawing. So I started drawing with the basic shapes. Cylinder for the body and semicircle for the handle of the can. Friends, while drawing this picture, I would like to share with you my experience with perfectionism in my art. Until starting this channel, I was the person who was more judgmental and struggled to create a perfect masterpiece. I was never happy with my drawings and I didn't even finish many of them. As a result, my art still is not where I would like it to be. I have a number of different drawings that I started but never finished. My friends always told me I never finish what I start, which is true. The more they point it out, the more it irritates me. At present, I am not satisfied with my content also. That is why it took me almost 1 month to upload this video. My unfinished drawings, my friends' words made me introspect. Then I realized that striving for perfection for so many years stopped me from creating new drawings and left me with unfinished ones. After that, I started to read books, articles to overcome the perfectionism problem which had been rooted in me from years. Afterwards, my finished drawings, which are imperfect, became my inspiration. Yes, they are imperfect, even messy, but because of them, somehow my art progressed. At present, I am reading the book Finish Give Yourself the Gift of Done by John Acuff. I will upload another video about this book. When I look at my finished artwork, I become confident. Yes, finishing them gives me confidence to see the drawing process through, and afterwards, I was able to show people my artwork and learn from their feedback. Next, I started YouTube channel and started to upload video even though they are imperfect. Number of finished works increased and so did my confidence. If you get into the habit of finishing your artwork, you can build momentum towards becoming better artist. Now I became a person who started to sketch from books and now sketch from life and from memories. Yes, drawing basic shapes, then modifying them slowly, I started to enjoy the process before finishing my artwork. Mistakes are the learning process. You can't even prevent the mistakes, but you can learn lessons from them. The famous artist Bob Ross called them happy accidents. So, free from the fear of mistakes by accepting they are just lessons in the process. This will give us the freedom to draw more pictures, practice more, and experiment to create our own style. When I am not happy with my work, especially when my inner critic is hanging around, I remind myself that all good artists have to make a lot. That is my making a lot of drawing and mistakes during the process, which leads to progress. Progress is not possible if we hung up on completing a perfect masterpiece. I would like to share this quote by Sheryl Sandberg. Done is better than perfect, and also this saying I came across and it helps a lot. Start now. Start where you are. Start with fear. Start with pain. Start with doubt. Start with hand shaking. Start with voice trembling. But start. Start. and don't stop. Start where you are with what you have. Just start. Friends, this is all about my story of the effect of perfectionism on my art and how I overcame. Friends, how is this video? Please let me know when is the last time any artwork or any project you finished or left in the middle in the comment section below. And also let me know any one of you read the book I mentioned in this video. Friends, are you stuck in perfectionism? Please let me know if this video helpful to you or any other steps you took to overcome. Share your experiences in the comment section below and I will be glad to hear from you. Friends, enjoy the process. Happy drawing. Bye. Hi friends, welcome to Paint and Talk.